Hi Amrut, welcome to that one incident on my show, Writer's Block. I'm so
Thank you.
pleased to have you with me for two reasons. One, that you're a fellow author, you have also written a book. And the second thing is, your journey has been very interesting in the fact that you have gone ahead and taken one mission and you are now living it, breathing it every single day. So, thank you so much for joining me on the show. And, I would like to begin by showing the readers Amrut's book. And I would advise everyone to get a copy of Seven Effective Habits of Readers and go through this. All of us have a lot of learning to do from it. We are all readers, but not most of us are effective. So please get a chance to read it and pick a copy of it soon. So with this, I would start by asking you, Amrut, what led you to take up this mission? If you could share about that, please.
Uh, it was one incident that happened in my life. Uh, I had three failed startups in a row, and as a result of that, one failed relationship. So, three failed startups on my LinkedIn profile, one failed relationship on my Facebook profile.
Facebook profile.
Uh, Although I'm saying this with a big smile, but they were really tough days, the lowest point of my life. And I was not socializing, keeping myself locked inside the room for days and weeks, not eating properly. I was living only on breakfast, वो भी सिर्फ चाय और biscuit,
Oh,
because depression has a direct attack on your appetite. You
I
don't
see.
feel hungry. No,
Hmm.
I used to lie down in bed, no purpose to wake up, just looking at the ceiling fan for hours, no purpose to get off the bed. Things were so bad. And one fine day, one of my CA friends saw pity on me. कि कुछ थोड़ा हेल्प करते, लेट्स ट्राई टू पुल हिम आउट, थोड़ा चीयर अप करते हैं. सो ही सेड एक पिक्चर आई है, बाहुबली.
Okay.
सो इट वाज बाहुबली 1 इन 2015. चल देखने जाते हैं. सो मतलब पागल हो गया क्या, इधर लगी पड़ी है, तू पिक्चर की बातें कर रहा है, आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. एंड ही सेड, अरे डोंट वरी अमृत, आई विल बाय द टिकट्स फॉर यू. एंड आई सेड ओके, आई एम कमिंग. Once a CA, always a CA. So we reached the movie theater 15 minutes before the show time.
Okay.
Maybe we overestimated the traffic jams. So what to do? 15 minute क्या करना है? No, we both were not interested in shopping, and because of my depression, I was not interested in the other attractions of the mall. So, so I thought, okay, I was reading a book that week, The Seven Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey,
Right.
the name that I've adopted. As a tribute to my favorite author, I adopted his title and replaced the word people with readers. Uh, so I thought, just to kill time, let's explain him what are those seven habits, because they were very fresh in my mind. And I have this habit of discussing, as you rightly said. And that's one of the habits in my book,
Yes.
Read and Discuss. So, ठक 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 15 minute में just casually I explained him all those seven habits with my examples
Uh-huh.
to simplify things.
Right.
And he was so impressed by my narration. He said, Amrut, the way you explained right now, 15 minute mein, I felt I visited the book without reading it through your
Wow.
mouth, and I got the message that the author is trying to give. No, it
Amazing.
was so powerful. You are such a great explainer. You do one thing. I know you're an avid reader. You read a lot, and I don't get time to read books, or at least I give the excuse of not reading regularly. But तू एक काम कर. Whichever books you read henceforth, I'm sure you must be reading some great best-selling books of the world. उससे कुछ notes लेता होगा ना तू? You
Yeah.
have this habit. Yeah, yeah, of course I take it notes in my diary. उसका फोटो मुझे भेजा करो WhatsApp पे,
Wow.
so that your reading habit can benefit me. And that last line struck me so hard. I said, wow, this is an awesome opportunity to help my friends while working on my passion. It's a perfect win-win. इससे और क्या हो सकता है?
Amazing.
And then the movie started. Perhaps for him it was a casual statement. वो भूल भी गया. He was enjoying the movie. And a movie like Bahubali,
Bahubali.
I found it very boring because of my
Your
altered state
mind
of
was,
mind now.
yeah.
Yeah. So we see what we want to see, not what is shown. and my eyes were on the screen. I was so impatient and restless, very excited to work on this idea. This is something great,
Hmm.
and I was literally waiting for the interval. And interval में I lied to my friend that I want to pee, and I escaped from the theater. उसका ही बाइक लेके भाग गया.
Oh wow.
Uh, went at to went home. Today he thanks me. नहीं अच्छा हुआ तू मेरा बाइक भाग के ले गया, नहीं तो आज बुकलेट गाया नहीं होता. तो उस वक्त उसने बहुत गाली दिया था. But with hindsight, he is very thankful for it. And then I went home, checked on internet कि ऐसा कोई कर रहा है क्या?
Huh.
Books like these, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, Chanakya Niti, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie,
Yeah.
Sudha Murthy. There's so Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Books which are must read, but which are not part of our college and school syllabus. But we know the importance of these books when we have to face the real world. पर
Yeah.
कोई नहीं कर रहा है.
Yeah.
And I thought I should do it. And from there, the seeds of Mission Make India Read were sown, and there was never looking back. I mean, depression तो मैं भूल भी गया उसके बाद.
Amazing, amazing. I mean, I must say the fact that you had the guts and the gumption, to get up from your third startup, failed startup, and pick this idea and run with it is amazing because for I think 99% people, the ideas would still flow, but not many people would have the guts to, take them up and convert them into, say, enterprises or businesses. So I think a lot of
Yeah.
kudos to you. And I think uh, you probably a natural entrepreneur. See, I would say that there are very few natural entrepreneurs. A lot of us are actually investors. We look at ideas from an investment standpoint as to what would be the returns from it, right? Not all of us are natural entrepreneurs. So what I see in you, Amrut, is that spark of being a natural entrepreneur, that ideas fascinate you and you want to convert them into maybe
Right,
services
right.
or solutions for people.
Yeah,
So great, I
right.
think. And what has
Yeah,
been
I liked your term, natural entrepreneur. I really love that term. And one more thing about my friend. So when the first lockdown was closed and we started meeting each other, so I met my friend who gave me that idea in the Bahubali theater.
yeah.
He invited me for lunch. अमरुद तो अभी बहुत बड़ा हो गया, घर पे आजा खाना खाने को. And then while having lunch, I said, सुदीप, really thank you. तेरी वजह से the whole world is knowing me. अगर तू मुझे थिएटर में लेके नहीं जाता और वो सब हमारा कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं होता तो टुडे Mission Make India Read wouldn't have been there. But you know what? His answer shocked me a lot. And the answer was almost the same thing that you said. He said, Amrut, we sharing that idea in the Bahubali theater was not the turning point.
Hmm.
It was you getting desperate and impatient and executing that idea within 1 week.
Yeah.
That was the turning point. तुझे पता है इसके पहले हमने कितने आइडियाज डिस्कस किए थे, उसका क्या हुआ?
Yeah.
Hundreds of ideas come to our mindset in the our mind on the toilet seat every day.
Yeah.
How many of us work on those ideas once we are out of the toilet?
Yeah.
So ideas don't change the world. Execution of
Execution
ideas
changes
change the
the
world.
world. So I think a lot of credit to you, Amrut, and all the best. I think it's a very noble mission, and I think especially as a fellow author, I feel the world is going to be so much more richer with people reading each other's ideas, right? And similarly, about my book, I just wanted to put across on Rewind and Play. It's also got a bit of entrepreneurship in it because way back
Yeah.
in 2000, I think maybe even a year before that, when I was in my last year of engineering, and I think the entrepreneurship bug bit me, and me and my friends. So that is about I think 99 2000. The internet was obviously evolved, but there was this huge boom which was happening at that stage. The internet boom and across the world, and in India, every weekend in on the newspaper you would see a new startup coming up, right? So it was buzzing with ideas. In fact, I got so charged up with this that there was an idea which I was discussing with a friend of mine, and I called it Mohabbat.com, and that was really a dating site, but with a difference that the couples would get a chance to meet in a physical location as in a cafe or a restaurant at a discounted price, right? So that was an idea, and I found it was pretty unique. So we all got together and we started to work on it, and it was my last semester, and I was actually on the verge of failing because I was spending so much time on my startup.
Wow.
I was probably going to get
Wow.
kicked out from my college. But I do not know whether it was good or bad. But what happened that the people who were part of the team, most of us got jobs, before we graduated. So somehow that idea didn't fly. But the streak of being an entrepreneur stayed with me, and today I think after 20 years, when I started my own company, I feel that some part of that journey, which started 20 years back, has
Awesome.
at least reached this point. So
Nice,
that's
nice.
how it was for me. Uh, you know,
Awesome.
and
Oh, I love that approach. Very good.
yeah,
I think we can become very good friends, you know.
yes, yes,
Entrepreneurs
absolutely.
immediately become friends, and I hardly have friends who are going for jobs now. क्योंकि वो होता ही नहीं है, जब भी कुछ चल मिलते हैं, अरे आज मंडे सपोज, हाँ वीकेंड को मिलता है, अरे वीकेंड को भी 6 दिन बाकी है यार, अभी मिलते हैं क्या बोल. So
Wow.
and automatically those friends go out of our life and entrepreneurs come together because we have so much of freedom
With so much of freedom,
of time.
exactly, exactly. So, and the fact that this is the right time. I would say that India's this particular juncture that we have to create more and more entrepreneurs because one, they're creating wealth for themselves. At the same time, they're also solving a huge problem that the country is going to face or is even facing is unemployment, right? And the only answer to that is entrepreneurship.
Absolutely,
If you
100%.
if you take the example of the US, US has a organized method to create entrepreneurs. So their IPR laws, okay, their investment in technology, investment in technical resources, of getting talent into the country is only and only with the sole purpose of creating entrepreneurs in the economy. Because since the 1930s, they realized that this is the only way an economy can stay ahead of the curve, and they have become masters at that. And I think India is slowly getting to that because one, as I think a population, our young people are now so daring that they don't have to rely on any existing models to create ideas, right? If it is organic farming, we're not looking at models outside of India now. We can just think about our own ideas. I can tell you for a fact that maybe in 2005, 6, or maybe till 2010 even, before you did an idea, you probably said that whether it was working there in the US or not, right? Take the example of Flipkart. Flipkart was born after Amazon, okay? Because Amazon was successful, Flipkart saw it as an opportunity. I think the next generation of Indian entrepreneurs are not going to rely on any existing models. They will create their own ideas, search for the markets here, and hence, entrepreneurship is very much needed in today's times. That's
100%.
some thoughts. Yeah.
Right, I agree.
Great. So now that you've talked about your mission, some part of it, what are some of the challenges that you're facing in this? Because, on the face of it seems very easy, make everybody read, but I'm sure, the details are a lot more complex than what appear to be. So any thoughts on that?
Yeah, in fact, somewhere deep inside, the fact that 20 lakh people are part of this mission, Make India Read, and reading on booklet is also disappointing because they want something in nutshell in a 20-minute summary is a hit
Yeah.
and people are not turning to books. So somewhere it is not a good sign. I should not feel proud about it. But at the same time, so I had this fear that no, after in the name of Make India Read, am I making India lazy? People will read only book summaries and forget books. और मैं उल्टा authors को नुकसान तो नहीं करूंगा. I had this serious fear, but I was wrong.
Uh-huh.
So I started giving Amazon buy link,
Okay.
affiliate buy link at the end of the summary to check.
Okay.
People started buying the book after reading the summary. And when I
Wow.
asked them, what made you buy the book? So they all said that, it's a 20-minute summary. Even if the title doesn't, I did not find it fascinating. We just heard the downside is only 20 minutes. And
Right.
so after listening or reading 10, 15 summaries, that's a filtration process to land up on a book which we like, which belong to our area of interest. So to
Wow.
dig deeper into the insights of the author. I said, yes, this is what I want.
So it's
A
basically a
summary,
win-win.
I'll never claim that summary is a substitute for books. That
Hmm.
will be a big insult of the authors.
Yeah.
And authors are God to me, right? If there were no authors, there wouldn't have been any reader, and
Hmm.
booklet guy wouldn't have born. So, and the best part, the most satisfying day for me during the journey was when I got an email from the publisher of The Power of Subconscious Mind. And they said that after you release the summary on your app, the sale of this book in India shot up.
Wow.
And I
Imagine.
said,
So
wow,
that's the value that you're creating
yes,
for authors. Because
authors.
today
Absolutely.
it is honestly a challenge selling a book, with so much of material available and so little
Yeah,
time that readers have. So,
absolutely. So
so
many authors approached me. One author, budding author, said that Amrut, after writing the book and ये सब करने के बाद, I now realize writing the book was the easiest part.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
And selling the book is a completely different ball game.
Completely
Mm.
different. That is the starting point. In fact, after you finish the book, that's the game. The journey starts then.
Yeah.
So, similar
So
has
I'm
been.
here. I'm here to help the authors. I want to make Booklet as a platform for the budding authors of India.
Wow, that's a very noble mission, and I think it's a win-win. The authors will benefit from it, the readers will benefit from it. So I think more power to you. Hope to see a lot more of you and a lot more subscription, and all the best to you on this mission.
Thank you so much.
Great, great. Now, Amrit, now let me take you to Rewind and Play. So, as my title of my book suggests, Rewind and Play is about going back to college days and connecting with your friends. Okay. So now I'm going to ask you to press Rewind and Play to your college days and pick up this one incident. It may be a good incident, bad incident, funny incident, any incident which you felt, changed something within you. It left behind something in you.
Hmm.
So over to you with
Thank
that
you.
one
Okay.
incident.
Well, that's a very interesting thing you asked, and I'll find it very exciting to go back in my college days. There was one incident which I had forgotten, and my friend reminded me that incident, and then I thought, oh, ऐसा हुआ था. So we just met after the lockdown.
Okay.
It's not that I was a very special student. I was a very ordinary boy. Most of the time spent time in library, more in library and less in canteen. So I was not very few people took interest in me. I was a very boring guy and talking about books, a bookworm. Uh, so that friend told me कि कॉलेज के बाहर एक ग्राउंड था
Uh-huh.
स्मॉल प्लेग्राउंड वेयर वी यूज्ड टू प्ले क्रिकेट एंड फुटबॉल 10-12 लौंडे तो यूजुअली 3-4 लड़के रहते जो थोड़ा अच्छा प्लेयर्स रहते हैं ना तो उसमें
Uh-huh.
से मैं एक था आई टू
बिल्कुल
प्ले लिटिल
बिल्कुल
बेटर
वाह
नॉट दैट आई वाज अ ग्रेट प्लेयर सो जो कैप्टन बनाते हैं राइट दो
हाँ
लड़कों को कैप्टन बनाते हैं दे विल सिलेक्ट द बॉयज या
एग्जैक्टली
सो ही सेड दैट अमरुद व्हेनेवर यू यूज्ड टू बी द कैप्टन टिपिकली जब टॉस जीतते हैं तो वी ट्राई टू सिलेक्ट द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट प्लेयर्स
हाँ
and try to make the team as strong as possible. Amrut, you were the one who used to deliberately select the weakest
best
players first.
wow
I said, Acha, is that so? And then I tried to recollect all those things, and yes, he was right. So my focus was not on winning or losing.
winning
It was about helping the weaker. और फिर उनको मैं to encourage them to
wow
teach them कि ऐसा बैट पकड़ो थोड़ा टाइट पकड़ो ग्रिप और फिर उससे छक्का लगेगा so I think that is also an entrepreneurial trait to help the people around you and
Absolutely
then bring them up to
yeah
your level, yeah, and then it's a collaborative growth, not a competitive
not a
growth.
competitive approach yeah.
Yeah.
So, oh, that's brilliant. I don't think amongst the so many people that I have spoken to so far has somebody picked up this kind of an incident, and especially something which has
Mm.
been narrated to the person by a third person. So,
Yeah.
it's very interesting. So, you're very right that I think that entrepreneurship trait is also about giving back, and
Mm.
and that's why I believe that people like me, especially who now mid-level executives, more of us should come out and become entrepreneurs because while we continue in our corporate life, yes, we will keep going up the ladder. There will be few more designations, better salaries coming our way. But what we'll miss out on the chance is to give our experience back to the the younger community
Yeah.
and create more jobs. Because
Yeah.
I think India should be an economy which should be striving for people to come into the country, not for people
Mm.
going out of the country. See, today we are net exporters of people. We want people to leave the country, go find jobs in other countries. Whereas it should be the reverse. We should be so strong
Correct.
entrepreneurially that we should be net importers. We should say, why can't we get the talent
Mhm.
from other countries? And
Yeah.
that's how we'll be able to I think create long term value.
You're right. You're right. That's why no wonder why I'm so fascinated with social entrepreneurship right now through Booklet is maybe because of the attitude which was ingrained in me since then.
Yes, yes, I am
To
sure
help the
because
weaker. Yeah. To help
because
the weaker, maybe financially weaker than me, emotionally weaker than me, or physically weaker
physically.
than me.
And that's a great thing. You're very right that most of us will pick the strongest, to win the match, be competitive. At least as they say na कि मेरी इज्जत बच जाए, मेरा face बच
Uh,
जाए, right? But rather than doing that, you are actually saying doesn't matter. Let's just play together, and maybe I can help you
uh,
become a better player. So why
uh,
not? Why not?
yeah, yeah. और एज अ साइड इफेक्ट मेरे को बैटिंग करने को ज्यादा टाइम मिलता था बिकॉज आई वाज द वन हु यूज्ड टू बी ऑन द पिच फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम और बाकी सब आउट हो रहे हैं
That's a fringe benefit. That's a fringe benefit. Wow.
एज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट
Never saw it that way. So that's amazing. That's amazing. Okay. So that's really nice. And I think it relates to social entrepreneurship. What you are doing right now is actually social entrepreneurship. So I think that trait of yours relates to that particular aspect. And after college, when did you start working immediately after you passed out, or were you
No,
into
so
startups immediately?
mhm. No, so once I cleared my CA, I got into stock market. I
Okay.
thought that's the easiest place to make quick money.
Uh-huh.
And so I actually took a job, was working as a fund manager in a couple of broking firms.
Uh-huh.
And it did well. I made a lot of money. Stock market, ऊपर से CA. So
Uh-huh.
making 2-3
Obviously, yes.
lakhs a
Yes.
month
Money is in your blood.
was a cakewalk. Yeah. But then once I had a good amount of savings, and then I realized that I was not getting the respect that I wanted in this job. So as a fund manager, मेरा job था to advise the rich clients of India,
Uh-huh.
top-notch clients with a minimum portfolio of at least 5 crores or
Wow.
10 crores. इतना पैसा वो देते थे. And whenever suggested a certain stock to buy, suppose Axis Bank खरीदो, and Axis Bank declined by even 1%, the only words I could hear on my phone were तेरी माँ की dash dash dash, तेरी बहन की dash dash dash.
Oh.
And I realized that I was being paid to hear these words. It was not about my talent, caliber, my CA degree. जो इस कुर्सी पे बैठेगा ना उसको वो 2.5 लाख महीना पगार मिलेगा वे सुनने के लिए.
Oh.
Okay, so the respect was not even the cubicle maybe the moment I stepped out of the office, the watchman in the elevator used to yell at me. I mean, what's the point of having so much of bank balance then?
Right,
Yeah.
right, right, right. Ah.
And so I thought I should quit my job and maybe किसी के अंडर काम कर रहा हूँ इसलिए रिस्पेक्ट नहीं मिल रहा है तो मैंने फर्स्ट स्टार्टअप शुरू किया वो
Okay.
डब्बे में गया सेकंड किया वो भी फेल हुआ थर्ड किया failed miserably and then as I said I was into depression but one common thread that went through all these setbacks whether it is personal setback a failed relationship or startups was my reading habit.
Ah.
And then I started reading a lot of autobiographies of great world leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Swami Vivekanand, Martin Luther King Jr., Nelson Mandela, Mother Teresa, Abdul Kalam. And I realized why I failed in my three previous startups. It
Okay.
was not that my strategies were going wrong or ideas were not great, that
Hmm.
I did not work hard enough. None of them.
Hmm.
I understood that the first question I asked myself when I started a new venture every time was, what's in it for me?
Ah.
My money, my progress, my bank balance, my profits, my career, it was all me, 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 me. And after reading the biographies of these world leaders, the whole world is following these guys and they're talking about everything except money.
Except of
And still
money.
the world is following them. That's what we all want as entrepreneurs, right?
Yeah.
It's all about people, right?
Yeah.
It's all
It's
about
about
people. The customers are people, suppliers are people, shareholders are people, employees are people.
yeah.
Even the dog food that we buy is not bought by the dog, it is bought by the dog owner.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
It's
Exactly.
all about people. And there was a paradigm shift in my mindset from what's in it for me to what can I give.
What can I give?
Suddenly everything changed. Now I did not look at opportunity as a in a very myopic, narrow mind of opportunity मतलब क्या? Opportunity to make chan, make money.
Hmm.
I think that's disgrace to humanity.
Yeah.
There are so many meanings to opportunity, opportunity to
Yes.
help people around you. to use your unique talents and skills for the benefit of others and empower them.
Absolutely.
And then I thought that whatever I do henceforth, maybe a fourth startup, money should come as a byproduct of my
Byproduct.
passion.
I totally
Yes.
agree with that. That, and
Wealth maximization should not be the primary objective.
yeah,
Money should not be the starting point. I'm not against money.
yeah,
Okay. If you give so much of value, it will come back for sure. But with a mindset कि this is the next big thing, तो चलो इसमें ट्राई करते हैं.
हाँ,
AI का चल रहा है जमाना तो AI ट्राई करते हैं.
yeah,
ऐसा नहीं चलेगा.
yeah.
You
That
should,
investment
you should.
mindset.
हाँ, the journey is inward,
It's
not
inward.
outward.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's inward, and what you can give back is a great concept that you bring out. That as a entrepreneur, you are creating employment. You are actually allowing other people to express their talent through your firm. That's also something a giving back that you should be looking at, not extracting from them for your own benefit, right?
Correct.
So I think that's a very noble thought, and thank you, Amrut, for sharing that with me, especially since I'm also in the entrepreneurial phase right now. So I love to stay connected with you, and I think
Sure,
this is
inshallah.
only
Sure, sir.
only
We will.
first among other conversations that we should have. And of course, this talk has been absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for finding time. I know you're very
Yes.
busy. Booklet guy is in huge demand,
No,
but
not really.
thank you so much as a fellow.
In fact, on the contrary, Tarun, I should thank you that you gave me an opportunity to spread the word of my mission Make India Read on your platform.
No,
You are helping the
you're
mission,
being
sir.
very
You are helping the
modest.
mission.
I think the credit goes to you. Thank you for finding the time, Amrut. Thank you so much.
Great. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you
you so much. Happy reading.
and
Yes.
pleasure conversing with you, Amrut. All the best.
Happy reading, Tarun. Yeah.
Thank you.
And wash your hands. Okay.
Yes,
Bye bye.
yes, absolutely. Cheers, man. Thank
Chalo,
you.
bye bye bye.
Thank you.